How to see most recent post on Facebook app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see most recent post on Facebook app. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the app, then here, what you can do is you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the menu section, then what you can do is you can simply scroll down and tap on see more option. And now here, if you scroll down there, you'll see the option labeled as feeds. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you tap on the feed, then here at this section you will see the most recent post on Facebook app. And that's it. That's how you can see it on Facebook app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.